okurga hati nokusibira byona amina.
Ibintu byona byaturemere ntugira ngo yebare munonga Reveranda ahabo mu gishogo watwendeza nizo barahango munonga 2023 y'ukwezi kwa 12 nchegira charite ku 12
amezi 12
kashi twakontu jangwe miezi 10
kwezi ko kubanza kwezi kwa kabiri kwezi kwa kashato kwa kano ku 10 ku 11 ku 12.
Good morning Charity.
Good morning.
Yes. Wimkano ugamba tena today.
Sure.
Not today akawana wakati yarze.
Najabirira
Burirota.
Ndirece cyane wokorire. Nikubarisiye birabukora umujuruzi. Nkutabarisiya celebration zone zumugiremu. Nkutabarisiya ukuvuga ukataho kagaruka. Nkutabarisiya ukikomuka mukarya hamwe mukashanga ngo tumwagera okurabana mu violence na nebindi. Nkutabarisiya kuzajya hakereziyo ukahururengero ukagaruka uryohurire mukamasimo wakutugarura oyinamagara.
Kandi kuko wabigamba byona nuko nabirabire muje nanyenye kandi ntwe ninkisimira. Birabe na chimwe nkatwara abana bona abatabuhingo na hati niyo bari. Andi jo nkana zayo baje ngo je kutwashira ngo twenda.
I know.
Baje nanye nabahona. Akora bills hareze ngwantine batarho.
Kigambero.
So niza nagaruka yebiro 25 mukasheshe ari in the morning. Twahikayo, it was a nice day. Biona prayers byabireho garuko mwazi yo fun yone yabireho. At least it was a very nice day. Nabiruka muje nagaruka. Biona tibintu byo kutwara for granted. Abo kuba aruha abantu tuzikira abafiye batarwire tuzikira ababutandu birebire bya family yona yoko kuburi yarugute kutera mari yo kuteka ngo you were the best to reach home age. So mbwenu ngo kuri Reveranda yagamba simezo mbabazi kubushesha konga ngarika nsimaranga in a special way that has enabled us to work all through hati nebirashatu byo kwezi ku 12 and turiyo tutebekanza uzo mwaka musya okukora kibanza okukubanza kwa kabiri kwa kashatu umpaka ukaro mwaka no guheza na checho cyo kuzandaho. So we thank you Lord Jesus Christ for your protection upon us. Mbona rizoba turahanu gukora simuka. Yes. Is it not my last program umwaka guhona?
Yeah.
Hako nchakaro wakasha.
Shanga hakibanza. Umwaka musi. Ruwakana.
Okay.
Buriyo mwe nantu mutabarisiya ibiro bikuru once again kandi ahize biri 23. Tuina makuru kurga omuyihanga ryito of course na munonga nsakwantu kwata aha polisi yargayo yabasa okutworeka ebiri kutwataho ebitwine kwantu tamburiramu obukwakuruzo n'amateka agutwine kwantu genderaho kanje tengenderwaho ahabkwatana na okujaguza okutaho mwaka musya ebirashatu na kimwe izobe rya nyencha kare ahene kuteka ngo buri omwategerize okubasa kureba ko ararwo mwaka kazo mugunda kiryo hurire abonsa kwaturiye omaramizo abantu kwaturiye mbedura abantu kwaturiye muza concert abantu kwaturiye hagati y'emahanda turi kwesharinga abantu kwaturiye hankuto turi kutambara ku rugombe cweka tukazo mu bindi mbwenu batuhire ngenderwaho okubasa kureba kutwakubasa okubitamburiramu mukuru wa polisi arigireyo yabugana abanyamakuru ashitebo cyabo kikuru okubasa okutukomorera ebintu ebi okubihurikiriza okubikwata kandi tukabitamburiraho ahabo kujaguza omwaka guturabe ntwakira ogwe 2026 nomanya bamwe bakatoramba karengwa ngo ogwe 2025 takuguheza but we are still here kandi ntuza kuguheza kandi tugarike celebrating omiringe tarukushana mbwenu engenderwa heji niyeha reka tubyakire ombigambo no mbishani twongera kwetegereza ahitwene kwata
Kwa mwaka omwogezi wa polisi mu ggwanga ACP Rusoke Gituma asisinkanye bannamawulire okulambulula ku mateeka n'ebiragiro ebyateereddwawo ku bantu abagenda okutulisa ebiroliro nga bajaguza okuyingira omwaka omujja okuva mu kadde abeeterekera ebivulu n'abeesunga okusanyukira wamu. Gituma ategeeza nti enteeseganya n'abategesi b'ebivulu kukuba ebiroliro zikyagenda mu maaso. Asibye abagenda obbikuba bagoberera eddakiika 5 ezibaweebwa.
Fireworks akirizibwa only eddakiika 5. So tusaba ate tulagira nti abantu bagoberere etteeka eryo abo betuwadde olukusa olwo okukuba fireworks.
Okusinziira ku Kituuma, buli abagenda okuba ebiroliro bateekeddwa okulanga ku mikutu gy'amawulire egy'enjawulo.
Abantu balina okumanya ng'ogenda okukuba ebiriro kubanga waliwo abantu abamu nga bw'oba tobategeezeza fireworks abayisa bubi.
Abasirikale baweereddwa obuyinza okuyimiriza omuntu yenna ayagala okutulisa ebiroliro nga tagoberedde ebiragiro bya poliisi.
Era poliisi eya counter terrorism nga bali wamu ne territorial police be bacekinga ebifo bye bagenda okukubiramu fireworks. Bwe basanga nga waliwo etteeka oba guideline yonna emenyeddwa, DPC akirizibwa okusazaamu okukubibwa kwa fireworks eyo.
Alabudde bannabyabufuzi abakuma omuliro mu bantu okulumba ebitongole by'okwerinda.
Mugambe Honorable Nambozi agende ku Parliament atandikire ku abo abajjeko emmundu bw'aba yasobola okikola. So babatuma then mwene babateeka mu buzibu.
Aleese olutimbe n'akatambi akalaga omubaka w'emukono Betty Nambozi Bakireke ng'aduumira abantu okutuusa obulabe ku basirikale. Agamba nti bagenda mukolawo kati naye bagenda kulinda akaseera akatuufu akatali mu bbugumu lya byabufuzi balyoke bamukwate asimbibwe mu mbuga z'amateeka ssaako n'abantu abalala beeyisa mu ngeri bwetyo.
Baagala nnyo kati aba ayagala ogenda omuwanule wali katuuti then enkya yeesibe bandagi. Tetugenda kukikola bwe tutyo. Tujja kumukwasa amateeka nga bwe googera mu budde bwaffe.
Ku bakozesa bendera y'eggwanga, Lusoke agamba nti poliisi egenda kusomesa abantu ku nkozesa yaayo n'obubonero bw'eggwanga bwonna.
Flag eyo gy'olaba enkozesa yaayo yeetaaga ne permission okuva ewa minisita. Minisita we bagamba minisita mu act eyo babategeeza minisita wa Justice and Constitutional Affairs.
Agamba nti olwo amateeka gafuga enkozesa ya bendera y'eggwanga n'ebirala ebigiriko nga buli munnayuganda alina okugagoberera.
Kati waliwo ababadde bagiwanika ne waggulu ku muti gw'amasannyalaze. So just kye tusaba abantu flaga mugiwe ekitiibwa.
Ate kyakwetinda ku Lwokusatu lwa wiiki eno nkusaba kya kuriketi ova erugogo mu kiro ekimalako mu mwaka 2025 n'okuyingira ogwa 2026. Eno wateekeddwayo ekivulo ekyatumiddwa party after party abayimbi abamanya mu Uganda abasinga gye bagenda okuyimbira. Olwaleero omuyimbi omukongo Awilo Longomba ayingiddewo mu ggwanga ngono yagenda okulemberamu abanasanyusa abadigize n'okubayingiza omwaka. Bw'abadde yakatuuka ku kisaawe ky'Ennyonyi Entebbe, Awilo ategeeza nti musanyufu nnyo okuba nti 2026 agenda kumuyingira n'abawagizi b'e Uganda era n'abasaba obutasubwa.
31st we are in Lugogo.
What should we expect this time around?
Oh, enjoyment. Meet my fans, maybe do some things here special.
Abbe Musinguzi amanyiddwa nga Bitex alambuludde ku nteekateeka z'ekivulo kino ng'abayimbi abamanya bonna baakubeerayo.
Era omuyimbi waffe ow'enjawulo ku mulundi guno abadde Awilo Longomba, obuyimba bwe abamumanyi babumanyi, abatabumanyi bagenda kubutegeera. Ye muyimbi waffe ow'enjawulo gwe tugenda okubeera naye ng'asatu mu lumu ku cricket ovo wali erugogo ku lunaku olwokusatu luno. Naye nga abayimbi baffe ab'amaanyi bonna tubayina.
Agumizza ku byokwerinda era nti Awilo yagenda okuyingiza abantu omwaka omujja.
Security gulugulu 6 beguwera nga bakuba fireworks. Eba naamala okukuba fireworks, Awilo Longomba agende ku stage akubire essaawa ng'emu kwemu kitundu oba emu kusinziira kwena gye n'abeerawo bavaawo tuzeeko Juliana Kanyomozi, Irene Namubiru,
Sulaimani Mutebi ne Ignatius Kamya yakusakidde eggulu lino ku Lwabukedde TV.
yayalikwa meya bele yaye
Awilo Longomba Wanji.
Was not our things,
You know, we know these songs. Kandi zori ingara ezabezuruho
Yeah,
izicuruho kandi zikuteka ngo zagomba ejini music itakahwa rizi kandi itakahwa mama no
so that is Lingara yana isongwa Lingara.
Yeah, jeta Lingara
Is the Awilo Longomba kanda bongo man hariho gugu atira umuntu omugera rufitaho umuyanga bakambinga that notorious one uri kuzina na nankana ogwa Tanzania.
Tenko manya tanamanya.
Hey.
Story tanajishwa.
Anyway. Aba bashana bira batwireho, so I hope naiza kugita abantu generation age neze nyuma because he's been on the atwira stage. Yeah.
Ebyo mwabyehurikerereza kandi nomanya nimwe hata at least time rije kwa mukwata uza kutera fireworks banzo tugambire, otherwise abamwe tukarwara za pressure umwe mitima yitu nekangarana ibitaro umwe namushanga umuntu yatonga shoka, so tugambire as early as possible nona ndiyo kufuruka umwanya gwe ngufuruke muninga mbestede manyengo byaza kwisha. Twaza kureba Gideon Senyomo turi kumwakira kashesha ka kutusiya umuhereza warhanga okubasa kuturiko kutwakubasa okutyamukaje okurugo mwaka ogu turi kuzo mugundi turi kurabira omu kigambo cya ruhanga. Mbona mwaza kutwitereza takushisha keire katwire tumwakire tutandikiraho. Gideon Sebo.
Morning Charity, morning Vincent Mujurizi. Ebyo rembo Kampala wabuhura fireworks edakika 5 awiriro ngomba yatahamu twagaruka omurinkore na mnongo umurebezi wa Nkole Diocese okwe associate professor Fred Sheldon Mwesigwa wakwatanise na dean w'uburebezi wa Nkole, the very Reverend Canon Nathan Bobs Mwesije omwanyogu natunga omugishaka sheshaka okumbugana turinkai turi akashozero haro nyinda tuganire ebya Uganda twabireba fireworks edakika 5 awino ngomba itwe twazo mukanisa nyinda tumwakira turamunsi yatugambire bonko borebezi wa Nkole betegwire bata na mununga okutandika nebero kutandika nyenyencha kare twazo mukibanza okwakira umwaka 2026 the very reverend to live TV Western program sebarere
webere munonga owishemwe Gideon kana munjwana wanje nitandika no kubaramusya omwiza rya Mukama Yesu Kristo kandi mbasima munonga kureba nyobone imwe rahanga turinzire burkasheshe burmwabazyo burkasheshe burmwazyo kibire kusima rahanga ndiyo nitekateka kibanza cyoko kubanza 2025 turyaha nustana ko mwaka mwana kureba ngo izoba nkeri turiyo ntugamba message yo kwendera umwaka imbabazi zarahanga kandi simarahanga nyowe umurebereze wa Nkole Right Reverend Associate Professor Sheldon Fred Mwesigwa umurimo gwakozire umwaka ogu akozire imirimo mingi munonga nambwe na hati twine program nungi munonga yo kubagambira ko burebereze bwa Nkole bwona turukwebembeze imbabazi zarahanga turukwebembeza amana garahanga turukwebembeza ekitindisa cyo bwarahanga buzimazima nyencha kare 31 ntendera umwaka Mukama wita sima nimbendeza kwendera umwaka kurungi nimbendeza 25 enungi turiyo tugisibura kandi nkabe nintekateka ngo iwe neka yawe ninga kiyo nkomuntu otandike kuhandika 25 ebintu ebinasetingire gukora obikozire hato handiko jo tinkanya korechi nyenda korechi obikozire na nito mukanisa nkweturi ntukora accountability abakristayo abitwagambire ngo abirneta nzako bakorechi tubikozire nyenda kubagama nambwe nuka umureberezi wa Nkole 25 ikintu cyakozire munonga umur cathedral ekanisa yabana yona ekahwa yacheze muri 2005 yagarika yajati cathedral can't take all the beautiful and good washrooms nambwena hatwine washrooms nungi munonga ezakoze rakataho ekindi yajata abagore kuba kwije emyenda yabo bundi ejuru yabegwire bekurrum byondo mwatu cathedral yona omumbuga yona ekaba paved bataho pevazi dere bintu bira byabonera naho cyabagorera mu tungira abagore bingi season age even neri izobo makumi ashatu ntuzagita dere nyo mwazi abarna mwenda tugisira abagore bingi munonga season age tungira abagore abo kuba mwanya mukama gutwire ntuguboneza guba murungi mbwene ashatu na kimwe nyenkakare ntuba tukora accountability haza accountability jo naitwa bitisetingire kuruga umukoko banza kwikomu kwikumi n'ibiri nawe nyenkakare hariho murubo twire security mpango munonga ntwena ngo abantu babanze baze gurenjama beyerra makagabo rero bona bashimira konko mwazi ntwenda buri muntu wena yaza kukashahemwe abayujire mu cathedral harimo ibyeshongoro manyobwe tuyo tuzakore kibakweta half overnight haro kweshongora haro kusemerwa haro kwe oguruka ubwo twanteza umwaka konkobwe ntwategeriza umwaka omusya ogwa 26 nabwo icyo ni imbeta no kusemerwa kwangu munonga na bishop witu associate professor Sheldon Mwesigwa naza kuba twebembire ashatura kibunye nchakare omwabazyo shaha emo yo mwabazi tona tuwe twijire cathedral haza taneke kutebekana so mwaka tweshongore mukama sange tushemerirwe twakira umwaka mu kushemerwa twakira umwaka mu kutagurra twakira kando ni intekateko borebereza ubwone burseti akatene security ya polisi ntubeta baguma bakomereke motoka zanyu bakomera amagare ganyu bakomereza piki zanyu ikiro dereza hikashamu kaga Bishop Ratsetura na tushabire shara ya muheru nzo mwako gwabira na mukaga abandi bana batera fireworks aheru ito ntwatera fireworks omukitenderezo nko kuwagamba Gideon obwo tushemerirwe akantu bantu wakira umwaka kandi tushemira nawe cyo nimbeta tushemirwa kandi umwaka kibanza twetekanize munonga ekarisa yona twayiyerire ntuzakuteka muka decoration kace katakuzi abantu hata abantu mwene twine services ibiri yoruzungu nitana ka shayishatu kandi shayishatu praise and worship yoneja shaha ibernetchek aba roharo youth fellowship shahi ibernetchek abana baba youth praise and worship babiziri engoma nzigamba ebitasana bigamba ensiyona netetem amashanza ngaka ha echer hariya naburawe otaferwa uruzungu shayishatu then shahina nere chikana ni 5 no bandu rugenda then stand kor nyankore inubajeta ara ibakwita runyankore rukiga haza nabwe tandike kwa yana yabire seti abitu bera byabirege kandi nani mbendeza mwana muvuga mwabana murya mwana mutebekana so mwaka mwetware mugende mpora mwibembezera hanga ahabo kuba harimo umushorongo mu revelation ziringashi omukushurwa kwa Yohana 21:5 atereba nimpindura bisya ebyakare byakwa hatuntuzomuruzi behold I make everything new nawe cyo okumaking everything new njimanza iwe namagaragawe amagaraganje nagugabe new omwaka gwabira na mukaga nimbendeza je munonga nimbendeza j'abantu mwena nkoko nagamba program ya cathedral kandi ubwo murebereze najimanya twena twije twena tangare twena tucyenyumyemu deriza ya mukamara simwe nimbendeza omwaka musya ogwabira na mukaga ogwihorere omwizari ya tatito ryo mwana niryo moyo rukwera amina.
Omewa TV West amazina ni Senyumo Gideon twene the very reverend canon Nathan Bobs Mose Bishop Commissary echo atakuchitegereza umurebezi yataroho yatari akashozera haro the immediate person no unato ngomugisha kushitama nawe akasheshaka wagamba accountability.
Yes,
2025 accountability twaza kuzenda 2026 omukristayo omuri wa TV West ashime kuba natwaza ata akorata na munonga accountability hali atwagire bate twaza kutana ku mwaka utandike naki
hati okutana ku mwaka hati you set goals hato tanike kusetinga ogwabiri n'etaano okunkozere gurigiremu kugure kutarigiremu orebe ebe bikuremere hati kandi obigarikiyemu omugwabiri na mukago gyo tumwe kiriya kikandema tinda kuziritaka eri nabe ninyenda enju terahwire abana ba mweno otebekaniseje accountability wano ogikora hine bikwa bikuremere hati ebikwa bikuremere ware ngutoki basobisharemu ebyo bihangure konka kandi hati cheme kusetinga new goals oje tumwe nizo omwaka ogwabiri na mukaga nshebe kwa ninza kukora iki konko tehenda chikona ngoje bintu bingi byona bijuro rupapura rebe byo kubasa kandi oshabera hanga obimeteko namwe nekiro 31 omukiro ntuza kugira ngo ebintu ebyo kwenda bifwe obirete tubishabire bifu kandi byo kwenda ngo bisetinge uze kukora nyenche ko birete karuba hari chaka papura ojo tumwe nyonyera kukora kinyira aza ka papura konza kanago mu box tukashabire abana mukaga successful year in your life, successful year in your family, successful year in your with your children. Na bwecho ebintu osetting goals konkore boti abana mukaga nyine kingiza gukora. Na bwecho mwe bari munonga kandi zari ya mukamera simu.
Chalte vise ni mujurizi watu ngumugisha ukashitama no wishe mwogo. Tinkabura ni okwerezo mugisha Chalte na Vision kuja Chris mwagana ni wotunga mugishogo hasi rokati Vision mujurizi na Chalte wo ine kibozo cyo kwena gamaona din abo ankole diocese na kwezo mugishogo nwasa kuza na kuganana nawe.
Netumuyebaza umuhereza wa Ruhanga kandi naye barokutwegesa ukora accountability. Naza kwesetinga ngaricomuka mpandice ndebe hinarugane hinahika rero mbone kusetinga new resolutions ahabwo mwake 2026 mbagira ngo no wozire nakuterere ngoma nozina mboye n'umuhereza wa Ruhanga nakomsha ninkwendeza umwake 2026 enongi babare Gideon reka tugaruka mu studio dear.
Hallelujah.
Okay. Twatunga mugisha okubasa kure bgambo okurga wa Venerable Reverend Canon Bobs Dean habo bureberezi obwa ankore bito budakika bwa bwatwogireho twatwinena no kubantu turebaho gace butuma bw'abashubuzi bwe n'umuturekera hatubanze twazo mukahumurako turagaruke tugarukane impapura zawe z'amakuru utargaha programu eje nyine asisimuka nehinda
omubwire bw'akaruro TV West neja kuberebera hamwe okurwa mu byaro okuza mu tawuni umunterane z'abari ku rundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu canga cawe esha yona turi kuretera ebiri kufayo amakuru gaho naho na buri kimwe cyona eco murebe witu aine kumanya mutuza kucumisiya yekumira mu kumanya abo kubicira biho cyona TV West neja kuba nechikwisiyaho TV West nehinda.
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente umukazana kare kubaza kwindura amagara gawe ubwo uri koresa shiringi 20,000 zonka yandikisha heji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash asimu yawe abwa shiringi 20,000 zonka rero otegereza omucha ubwo kusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwehandikisa ni kongera micha yawe okutoranwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente umprogramu y'umushonje hamwe no muneneserezo umuhanguzi naza kuba natererwe simu kurabira ahari noti 2 noti chenda anana mwenda emirundi yo rukweta mu kazano niko ne mcha yawe yo kusingura eri kweyongera.
program of course nisesemuka bitu yabare mnonga agiriyo nisenyomo okutugera akasozo ruharo no kuturetera information ejo itwatungaje kurungi mnonga Reverend Bobs webare mnonga ikigambo kandi abarundi batureba ni mamwe bare mnonga nkaburijo our message still continues umugezeho kwija muranje bimukorokwe abantu bamanye aho kwa kubimanya ni cyangwa sia business yawe kama and advertise program eje yasimka amashomero obuhereza bwono bw'ukora let the world know about the services that you offer tiro tuje no mission tuzakuba bwanyuma aho harasha ibiri turukwakira Dr. Benjamin Musita ubyentasiyo mu matendekero including Mbara University of Science and Technology tuzabantu tugezeho kureba eje 2025 turiyo tuhenda ntwecita yigenze to mbyentasi. Was it a good one or a bad one? Actually. Kuri umwaka ogu no bukujya cyarte kugumire gwegabirwa gurugwe gwenyine guhurire gwe gwangwi ninga general umwaka gwe gumire icyo naco ncukuru
konga Kihanga
Eh.
awareba Reverend Bob zo kuyana tugambira bonke kanisa abo mbaza kureba uko bitambwire inke kanisa nanye nazagara kumuka akubecho nachikwata nanye ndebo kuntambwire nkacharte na family yanje so nito no twenda kwata henyine okubasa kureba uko bijenzire ahabwentasya yihanga 2025 Minywani wanje ninkumanyisa ngo ba Stanbic Bank barwa hahabwawe okubasa kwihomboro na no kwegesa area culture eyo kusavinga mbone cyo ine kora okuchera kare izo bari hati ninga nyencha kare ninga bwashesha akaka sente kachaka koine twarebere mitwaresha te mitware 5 yirukanga nayo ozahitaje kuri hihi area Stanbic Bank utahemu sindiko rwije hariho puru na push na uyu push utahemu no ija kuba noreba emezera aberyaho hihi baniyo washikiraho gambana nabo umurime rwawe kubenda imizona nibazetegereza baza kwakira ubagambire uko kwenda kusavinga bakushobora uko kubasa kuchikora echora nyambe no kugira ngo gabogenzerina nendanga muntu rero bindi ntuje kubishango kwe tubiyizokwe baza kwamba kuboreka uko kubasa kubika nabo handi hacho kabasa kutunga na kaloni ukabasa gukora ibyo bitura bikuremere ibyo byoreba abandi nabakora ukateka ngo sente nabaziha hansi yenyanja no the Stanbic Bank niyo kwatira abantu umiringwe yorobi hakereza bwaro nobwo obwanguhi ukabasa okutungukana batahi bawe Stanbic Bank itwaho murembo rwambarira erya haruguto rwareba ntare wano shuma mbwenu waba wano rwo mutawuni orukushuma ruguto rwantare reba mukono gwawe gwa bumosho nuje kwa norebe kizimbe echandikireho Stanbic Bank ahasigara nitwendezo kwirukanga ukabasa kutunga urupapura rwawe rw'amakuru rurimi rwo rukwenda na mnonga abo rurimi Uganda na no rurimi orujungu habwa New Vision hamwe na no papara orwa Bukede akasheshekeri izoba empapara neza kasente karinganire rwa New Vision ni shirinje 12 kandi Bukede ni shirinji
rukumi zawe ya arika horano rweto to mushwayi singira ukumi no goro papa rwabuke do murimo rwo rugana this paper is everywhere
orshwahira no muzo rwa sente ingo rwo papa
rwa singira ukumi
nzaganira turaga
now aho kahona petrol station supermarket yombashubuze bempapara zamo all those vendors aho papa zamakuru babuze Bukede neza kuba erumbur kimwe cyono singiza urukumi and then the New Vision enkumi zawe ibiri tugahinduka ho empapurezi with much content that they have no shanga eberi yejemwe aho ujya mu kikobasi kutunga information nabo icyo tunje
ejo kuba nomanya candidate wawe aharije kuba narondera obushagiki nimanyisa presidential candidates bitu kandana na obuturudiro mu Christmas aba members ba parliament n'abandi bona bakuronda obushagiki okuzo mu ntebe zitari zimwe na zimwe bariyo nabatambura amanya road maps zabo ezakira kasigireyo obase kumanya aho kwata nahabwe nshongejo otunge mpapura zitwe zerizoba Bukede hamwe na the New Vision obase kumanya presidential candidate wawe ekyariho ahari kuza yariyo break nacyo kimanye yayinaho yaza kurondera ubushagike nacyo kimanye ogumo ri updated waza kwikaha kutera karuru obe no manya ogwagambere ki ogwatebekana isata og manifesto yerieta okubasa kuhendera omanyire aho kwata ebikwate na BSJ na no kugira ngo ubundi bamuhe bail ninga bagireke basa kureba high court enshongeze zitwara zeta urukurabira omumpapura zitu New Vision hamwe na Bukede and of course anyenda ngo manye ngo twatwine mu comments umupapura wito rwa The New Vision abantu bahandika kandi otunga perspective wider kugira by'abantu bari kuhandika aha kintu cyona ntuba twinema amakuru loko amakuru gituge byanga agakubombishwe kabitu no kimanya no rugamba ranga hati amakuru agakufomu ngagarumu then twina amakuru arurengo rwiyanga national news twine regional amakuru ngarurengo rwa East Africa then twine na international ebe bya Nigeria Trump atahire yokwe ukwayo natwaza Israel nebindi byona so papuro rwe no bano coveringa icweka cyangwa munonga okutunga makurago harimo na vision amakurago garumu harimo business oil and gas ebyona birumu harimo sports wano hendo papuro rwe no kushanga mebye mizano ebikwate n'icyayi cyaho imeki kutangaza nebindi byona nababyo mu harimo Africa Cup of Nations oreben mahanga cyagaremirwa hariya ha group agarugiremo ahagaremirwa kweyongerayo inguma ba Uganda twagiremo ninga tukagiremo konke mpapranza kwa zishobora ongano shaza Gabon za Equatorial Guinea za Botswana no shokwe byatambwire kubi and of course Premier League na Enegendo Misho so niye nango takaferwa tunge mpapura zitu no ijakwa no tunga ebrukogaho no basa no kuzitunga online acho no basa okuzishuza abasa kuzitunga okurabira aha mikutu etari yemwe nemwe kandi echo ine kukora no kwejunisa esimu yawe ninga computer yawe okabasa okwaccessinga empapurezi kandi okwenchi bakirya kasente kacho kuchira obundi na no kogahwaho bitahasigara muza kutwikiriza tuzo kahumuro kugarukansa kwa twino mjenyi witu arije kwa natuganirira habkwatena na accountability yo mwaka nkihanga wabira abireberata tushowize mnonga tutahize mnonga tuzirita then turebe umwaka kwija gwe kubasa kubagurguta okubasa kumanya eventasya na nishoboza yihanga ahitwine kuba ntukwasa okwiyaho mujuru zitakarjiraha kandi ndatekateke yebyo tubireho umwaka gwe 2025 abanywa nabo ine mujuru zihinabo kuza kushedingo
tubakabura yi
hanyuma ya
bashwe ati aricho bakwita do amatsindu abantu kushanga charity obobine by their users we naenda kwari imbunga sharundi mtwaro yikumera kuza kumutwara yanaza yabura bone kwijwa charity charity we na kwejunisa he is just a user they are there we have them so we naenda kutere obiyanaza kugenda akashanga tine motoka so omtize motoka we naenda kutere obiyanaza
koresa jukuretero tube turimo twomye kiza kusimbura kurga kikahariyo rayayemera
they are there yes. So omwaka nikirungi wano ubyo tugigenze guta ukareba ko kozerege aho takozerege kirese muki if you have people who have just been there to use you ni wowe bwejwara mani bajure batandu cyaro baju because you not move
a step hona nabo abari kabanywana bawe konka bari tutu competitive in a way that nkogura esati ya ready na warga hajugura ochitega kigori na warga hachitega
azatogwe nari ivu
obampurire ochikoma kasho cya karunje nkaka otaka kihire muna bayakweretse bya down yes
competition team cyane
ochijo jwira mwenda musya yakorebora face yahinduka abayine kucumanya ngo yonoza kugura then yaine bugambe byakwerekeza kabiherekeza konka braptre wamugwamu yari yakajwa
kubaho cyakora wamubyo taza otubundi yaha utinde ninza kugura ka hajata hapana tebe tubine mugashatu bireke you get to hard destructive.
Very good.
Hati nkashoma igitabo Charity. Ikiba kweta the 48 laws of power.
Yes.
Kandi ko mujamba mweta Robert Greene. Kinebra jirana na munana ibyo umuntu wena urukwendo ubushoboruza sheme gukora. Aina mabyo avoid the unlucky and the kongairo kwa kutireka ngo yinda abantu benkara bivuze. Hati no manya iwota kuchimanya gikagumiza mnashobora Robert Greene. Aba bantu bona nibakuteka hamanga negative, that negative energy nekusiba kandi ngwe bizuba keza kwe ebyo atko kunye kusa munga bizuba ngwin time bizuba byo nebikwata problems are contagious. My problems nitandika kube byawe wakana ngo yinda
share them off.
Aruha mitwe emize ebice mekwejura tukabitanke nyuma zo matomse osinze munonga nuzakushesha nemotoka yawe bura ushango ine nkozo zotakumanya nuzakushesha shango riro amuranwa ninga bushesho rya drip direct pa yamise
eje mtene mtwarize
mbeno munyu
abarenyo
garujeho omwenge gukendeze obagufeko
me I had a friend
yes
kwiyabira amanya na amanya mujuruzi nabasa kwija kunyamba hwechi saka making ashura muyarwana yanywa na mujuruzi then yije yantebeza ebiri kufahara mujuruzi ebiri negative yana kugambe ki yajana umwesabaho manyamya katurize kanyona mara yashobera naye buzo kumyona wachaka togo
was that friend or mountains
hata wa mujuruzi ndagayo hata manyangwe egoti yanaza kunyamba chakora ki echo so ninzira ngo base kutera tochi ombintu bitarumwe na bimwe ebintebe bikusibire ebintebe bikwasire obase okubyetantara kandi utakahiye mukubyo barachura batango kunatana nawe barachura batango kunargayo barachura batango Afrika hande mere hino wanyo kubagwanjire gufuriche zo mugundi furuka ejo yakuberye no basa kugenda je tkambenze nze kampara mpanyise emyezi ngeshatu ndebekera hindukeho nahabwe cyecho nacho taking a steps no bona for exactly
because tokuchirgam hato rwire oyangiye kuzakura kuzango batakutera kire chikatwe kiriheme ndwara hati bare myaka yo kuzaguma urwire na finally na no kubona bonero munsomo oyi nabanywani babi utakubasa kubeyi how I can tell you Charity you will suffer for it so abanywani bitu bantebeganzo mwaka ukukwiza 2026 tweje micwe mibi omukereza tujya twetise emicwe mibi enshobi tuzeguce then tugenda misho
ongera kategori cyo nanyenchwa so na nyuma ko gwarana kuchwa umanyu kategori niye
uko birori
twahumura abanywani bitu nsakwantu garukana Benjamin Musita Dr. Omukugu ombiyenda sanishoza terrorist kwata akwatena na accountability aho mwake kumebira bita otaga
kwija kwashanga kuza ku cancer eriya higuru ndabinaka ko kasirimu ukukira batakime ahabwe shonga ibiri eyo kubanza niyo kugira ngo nutahirwa buri karugire kona nawo Charity nanaka ko kasirimu batakize twine ubukoko ninga germs ezikutaho magara zikatuma warwara cancer okay nakatakizi tukaba twine germs ningo bukoko obukurga umbere tuturamo ukatahira ukabwa makoma magaragawe ukakoleta iki cancer typically obweno bwire obukuzo magara ukashitama butarije echo kureberaho neji virus ninga kakoko akakoleta cancer iba kweta ni human papilloma virus niye kuleta HPV niye kuleta nana eshundu omucheka chama genital warts niyo virus mu ekijakaleta cancer eyo muno gwanyinenda na kanse zindi nyingi kokije byo cyapeka hagati kasimba hoti so akona ko kamaka fitaho magara gawe kakoleta chi kakoletera kansa konka tugira ngo wabo inaka kukasirimu abuja ngo tuyine basirikara bo karwanza buri kutahamu bikashitama yes na no tutineka ko kasirimu nikamutahira
yes
konka wabo jangwa n'abasirikare abakora bakikiza kashitame niba bakiriye ngata karaka ko byuna ko kasirimu hatoza hakatizura mukaftayo nikaza kushitama cyangwa ngo munogo gwanye nenda kwagira guta
baraka kutunga
cancer yes akakubona kabiri nako bata hepatitis B hepatitis B banka bana shomiseho akonaka kukaka kutahira nako ni virus kakazo mutimu etine nimwe kakoza kakashitama so okuchondo zakija kwaereka ngo kukakumara omutimu emyaka 10 katanga kuleta cancer liver cancer haza hepatitis B nayo nerabira nkahe mushagama so kutahirira nekira kutahirira abantu twine categories birabinye abatahira amagara kitagaje hamwe gagiterwa abandi batahirira hepatitis B ejo egendera kimwe omushitigu eshitama ebura kurugama hata bwo kumarika muki so koko boy naka ko kasirimu hati wo chance zo kugira ngo kwera kutahirire neza gumeza mestame omukitigo targa ziriya higuru
kandi maba basirikare bakoyemba nyambaho
tubaro hati ya ushanga ngo overtime uja wanja kansa ikitigo ko rakaje hepatitis B yazamu yagore cyaji hamwe ko mukitigo cyawo
Sisim kazo ya investinga twaganira of course boko kuchimanya okugasha ibiri okusya shayibiri nedakika 45 ntuba tuyine Dr. Benjamin Msita Dr. Economics nomebe tukagira na chikanta yeta taito wachimanyire hatu no jiroto oryo mpota achizimbi mpota nako mpota ni manya koraho
2010 kandi poda ananka ichurora health nyina ndiyumba mabambechere health center
yo msinje
eba yombechere kandi honka poda kandi tabara
hati umuntu nari yompota achizimba yeta engineer sebere bituzirena nabandi nabo kugira bati aketa
nzanga yazo arabichwe chwera ari umwe kwa
Dr. Nini kumanya abitwara cyo uriya tafutura Mario myanye ndijo nakorokwe haza biriba kuba bine mwinke bikwera mwinke chikananga tichiro no kubumenu like uriya tafutura munzu kakushara na cyo namdering area so now twine hanu ya Dr. Benjamin Msita omwegesa economics omatenjiragahiguru bara University of Science and Technology na Gandhi twenda kureba umwaka 2025 ubwo tugera amabega turukwakira 2026 twenda gutera toshi kureba gubegura umwaka cyo mbientasi yabugenze buta umwe ni framing munonga umwaka ibintu kabiyangire konga is it right let me also ask you this before we get is it right to look at my performance economically basing on the year, on the financial omwaka gw'ebyesente nikudetermininga nyowe okunda kuri so that nani nyekora ekyo kweta self evaluation umwaka gwagwabe mbi because I should not try to excel when the economic year the financial year was so umwaka ogube guruguta generally imanka bi economics 2025 nkihanga
washitandikaje umuntu ashangwa nayereberaho kumanya economy kwegenzere
yebare
icyo kintu it's debatable hati ncherejera tukubuza which positioning in the government yoshitamerenka number 1 kiyo kuzamushomesa nkitu umuntu nyoni ndi umukozi wa government nishomesa umushomeri ya government nishashurwa government eje imshara yitse no buya danger change manisangu as the economy buye ne courage imshara mweni mbaza kuchireba nti tari hijo ba government buye muchere ekadere ngo mshara no takuze government kunyaga mbakujangwe kadere yinga mshara derajirinje maji manisa as the economy ba tugambire ngu kubashomera at the end of the financial bakajangu economy ya Uganda ekakura by 6.3%. It's a very good growth. Twaturya ntutagetinga the 10-fold growth ninga shebe kugira ngo Uganda mbenda ngo ekura 10%. Kukura 6.3 no basa kutrackinga from the time butwargo mu corona. Economy igumene nekura last financial year ekerya 6.3%. This by the end of yokwa mukago kuri yonto zoguma kuri yonto taham bagenda 7%. Factors are constant, we shall achieve it. Because we know what are the key drivers of the economy. So nchibanje manisa ngo ko kumbuzo ti ntubaza kurebe nkora na yihanga na embera y'abantu yibarum. Juris the higher extent it is yes. Because ojorebe ncho kujanteji economy to a certain level. It's not largely private sector driven. Ichene manisa kugira ngo bagira ngo economy complete rumungaro z'abantu.
Tokwicirana chenta yari.
It is like kuza kuchiciriza mweni mbasa kugira ngo kiri nko 30% private sector driven. Konka abantu bakigamba ngo no turi nko 90% private sector driven. Government take kora business. It is true. Konka nyendo ngambere orebe bintu kuba biri government yetakashashwire mshahara. Ijaha bakaderengamo ba finance kayine ka system challenges yaderengamo yashashura ko mbere na binga cyera kushashura 18 binga home konkai baje kushashura sente ukwata kureba Raina Bank. Now the question came to me, abanyarwanda tabako bankinga nkata home bank biro ubabwabiri nki 18 19 nkasha kutahum these big commercial banks zite zitukumanya ukahikanura baho kandi urukumanya ngo Raina haneberuho n'abantu babatera Raina ujo ahabwacha abantu batari mu bank. It brought something in my mind. Abantu abakoza banking services n'abakora mu government.
I think largely because waba kwetegereza je abantu kuri ye nyuma kuko turana ugamba nateme bitoce bye nakama amatege kandi binde bakora basa kushanga atari mainly that person who goes to the account to
kandi aberonka binga haho nkazo mucensha ama market jiri kuronda mubute kana ashiro mu kataromwe. There was a lot of transactions. Question came back to me, narwo mu katari kacensha abantu bariyo no batransact ngera cyumane bagurente zebero bukuru imotoka zinarebera hari nyoti nganta kazaga mu katari karakahanguka ibire binjinjira kutuma umuntu mwana ndete kweno retente zawe ndetere yibiri this time around kajanda let me go there myself. Karevu yokuterera abantu nyaburi wowe ne million 2 zindi cyara because the prices had gone down compared to kuzuma nyumbero bukuru atanka kuterera abantu nayo kanta kwihora asum ngehora asum ntingu basa kureke genta ndabikumukanye sorting kureba ibyo bintu mu rwende no kikoshanga wahika wayenda gukora cyo wayenda kugira ngo ugure byinje bwashanga byaza beyinje so nashanga sente nyinji industry zitariyo. The question is umuntu ariko basa kumeasure Uganda's economy based on what is happening in the bank is not correct. That was the lesson. Nyo buru kuzantu nimbanenka ninjenda ko muchondoza ninjenda ze researcher na abwacha abantu government yatakashuri abantu banks zizorora jisha wata home bank etaku banking sente zamakanisa hata waza nkum bank sako zetu let's say Cameroon which is under Church of Uganda noza kushanga ngo abantu baritebera bumukasheshe they are banking kunga no kushanga ngo ati banks bachombe kumira kono chingambira buriya they cut off lending because of high marginal propensity to consume yaba atakuzombera to be in a discipline in expenditure nyonka gambira abantu kambuzo buriya urwakabero rwabwire umuntu akakora ki nyonka shashura fizi University zanje shashwire fizi ngajana tendo kuri byesa no muntu naragamba kugira ngo amaze gufa uriya mkwata baraka nenda kunenda kugura kandi uramureke mutayi wawe so shanga wakwata sente wakora
you always want to be on the safe side.
I want
do you know that during COVID time people who had paid money lost their money
abashashwire fizi
ikashita mutera
kabanza menyeseka kabaka ngira ngo mbezine nazi kwimba kunganga shashora physical. So generally the performance of the economy pazo mako ni masako jango into to make government the thing this economy is growing in terms of GDP means what to call the total monetary value of all goods and services ebinte produce njoro muhangwa ebyo kuba wabitaninga into cash the economy has grown. That is number one. You know reba mako to financial but now we are talking about the calendar year. Financial no maune hendero kwa mkaga tanko kwa mkaga ta hendero mene tanko kwa mshaje hendero kwa mkaga hatu twagamba calendar year nyo to me the economy has been doing umwako Uganda shilling has appreciated by 2.7%. A shilling ya Uganda ejizramani
echintu nyando chobore na no kiyo wawe achetegereza nchimuyamba
now my P7 graduate mother kali munyarira amaze nchimshobore majango shiringi ya Uganda mwaka kwenda gutandaka wabe no kwata mutwaro ukagura ukagura wena numbers ukagure huzi nkikumi hadi majango basa kwata mutwaro gubwenye ugure huzi nkikumi nemu
Chagama. Akacho rebe cyangwa point pote ba muntu ngaza rebe.
Utokasa kanshobora abe nakwata umutwaro kumagure huzi ikumi bambaze taruze huzi kwa kubugure ibintu hate ehuzi yabe naguri ikumi hate bereba haronke empitorozo zugura nkashirinje bibiri shinju 10 ijobere nabasafta ne empitorozo nk'ezini nkishatu kozi 2.7% ninka wajiro ningofu neva 3%. 3% y'umutwaro nike mutwarisha twe. Nike mutwarisha.
3% y'umutwaro.
Nike mutwarisha. Yes. What is 3% y'umutwaro? Yenanka y'umutwaro ni mutwarisha tumujuriza. Hati nchibanje manisangu ebinte byabe na guraho retse narga kazo ajamba ara shopping. Aha mutwaro go atware huzi hata bagira ngo esente yite kizaramani na basaga kaina transport kuruga abantu za kazo na atashaje na esente gandi kizaramani kugira ngo najya na transport mutwarisha ningaje uzete exact mutware na kashasha kugira ngo ekizaramani ubasa kushoppinga bambarete ibintu kubiya hero no babgurura hase ndenje kugira ngo be yabyo baje corresponding bashara sente based on the dollar rate ngashi bagendera dollar rate baza kushanga ngo esente ya Uganda tsaze hamutwaro shango ni mutware nakashasha bono bozi narabasho nijo gure ibintu byaho buguraje kandi kuko bino same quality ugarukoshaze mutware nakashasha utahana zomka ajyo nshobora kwita exchange rate amana geshirinje gagizera ngagenda gata umwaka ukarenda ya 2.7%. So nje bantu koreka ngo twine cyo bakweta economic dashboard abantu baravugire motoka umesha hatahesha
icyo ncoreka speed yo novuga ncoreka performance ya engine ncombeka temperatures ncoreka amashita we no kurebera imodoka ni koreka
wa boda
economic dashboard
tutandukana na kozereta ibako GDP shirinji ite kozereta nyona ni gamba tugaraka tuzacinte kibakwete price stability ebe yebintu izana yongera mulomba ninga ebire step target yitune kugera East African member states ninga shabanta bari mu kagugu East Africa hatukongeraho za DRC twongeraho na Somalia twongeraho Somalia is part of East African member states agama hanga gona gakichereza nangu ebe yebintu yanegenda itakura ukurenga 5%. That is the target.
Okay. Yeba doctor ebe yebintu yanekura bakagiteraho limit etarengaho ahabwo burunji bwa region ejo obutenda kuza umustari cyo kandi aha dachikezi 10 zarenga umushayi 2 katumuro kace program tujeta Simka TV West twine Dr. Benjamin Msito mu economics ubaye PhD. So tureba okwebi no bintu batakushoboreka ngo hatutandiki kumanya byakazare nabi bavuga ngo ishinge tembero utayo tembero binyambaki because it relates to you every life.
Nehina
omubwire bw'akaruro TV West neja kuberebera hamwe okurwa mu byaro okuza mu tawuni umunterane z'abari ku rundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu canga cawe esha yona turi kuretera ebiri kufayo amakuru gaho naho na buri kimwe cyona eco murebe witu aine kumanya mutuza kucumisyaho yekumira no kumanya abo kubecera abo cyona TV West neja kuba nechikusyaho TV West nehinda
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente umukazana kare kubaza kwindura amagara gawe ubwo uri koresa shiringi 20,000 zonka yandikisha heji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash asimu yawe abwa shiringi 20,000 zonka rero otegerezo muncha ubwo kusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwehandikisa ni kongera micha yawe okutoranwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente program y'umushonje hamwe no muneneserezo umuhanguzi naza kuba natererwe simu kurabira ahari noti 2 noti chenda anana mwenda emirundi yo kwetaba mu kazano niko ne mcha yawe yo kusingura eri kweyongera
twagaruka bwanyuma umuruka cyane ko twatugambire kandi ngo mazima program Simka gendo misho aha TV West Dr. Benjamin Msita tumwinaha ore no tugambira amahango kugatira ho limiti yo butarenga 6%.
5 mbakugera ngo mwa ranges don't exceed a single digit nchibanje manisa ngo itare inflation itarenga 9%. Konga the target is 5. Konga when wow if you go out of your hand utarenga 5%. Uganda to be stand on average to be medirahari 3.5%. 3.5%. But 3.5 yaheza kuzahansa na mnonga nacho nchibi. Chubanje manisa money is not exchanging hands. Inflation kuba kugira ngo bakora ngo inflation ikigambo inflation ningashi n'ibintu kubura abantu bine sente nashobora umuryango mujurizo wacu nk'ikigambo inflation n'ibintu kuba bice kandi abantu bine sente umushaho
batabaza kubona bakwenda
yes hatushanga ngo bice byagumaho yabyo bajonje niyo bakweta inflation kungate mbakugera ngo wangira ngo ibintu bigambo umuryango rwo hanze hategesha ahita ubwambere ho mu Uganda ibintu biruho n'abine sente bine byo kugura kandi bakongera ngo n'ibintu byiyongereye cyo byo kugura byiyongere muno even compared to the money ziri mu nshako yabo cyo nakuze nkahika hariya nagenda ndibi kushuma zikahika reveji kandi ejo no sente buce tubanje manisa ngo now there was too much supply Katari, and that is what we call a health economy. Then umwako nabo Uganda yagarika yareba kutunguka kwa man tugire no 2 billion sentence tukuyiha umwani ibintu bitu exporting kandi necharetire shirinje yagera man chikaretwa iba kweta what we call a lot of remittances hato mu December nambo think I'm not yet updated with statistics are remittances no manyabanya Uganda n'abasindika sente nyinji ombero bukurum kusini cyarabantu babo hatize sente uzanzije nzizo foreign exchange akasenta konkanka ijo mu sente za heru kijatwe exchanging as that money is coming ishirinje nejaramani so ebyo bintu byashanga ngo koro kugamba general performance of the economy twine what we call individual performance but generally esente zo baraganisha kuhereza abantu za PDM nazo bakazisenda so haraka zare kenji haraka zare kahangu akari between omuntu wabutosha na nenkora kurana yihanga kongebi torabi na n'ikindi wagamba kindi twine cyo bakweta the political climate oburo the levels of tear gas kazahansi going to the performance of the economy kuza twako dukora the governance indicators ebyo butegeje bigenzere bita tokabasa gamba economy hatarmu governance because the performance of the economy it is shaped by the governance. Uganda is one of the most peaceful countries on earth. In terms what comparing never Kenya, whatever Tanzania, whatever Congo, whatever Rwanda, it is also stable, but also with some external threats. Whatever it was threats. Now Uganda is one of the few countries about fighting an enemy. Tubakumbinga only in the country. Konkano bamkuratana hii ajili. Kujango bakabinga kone ya zumuru ya Sudani yarga Sudani bamkuratayo. Hambaza central. Negyo still bamkuratayo. So we look at leadership. What we call is futuristic in terms of security. In terms of manufacturing, because look at the big sectors of the economy, the service sector, the industrial sector, and the agriculture sector. All the three have grown. Industrial sector, in the last financial year, over 5,000. We had less than 100 by the time of Memzeke Benjamin to power. Look at me, I think there is a number of industrial park. Aromna Munkekera na industrial park, but I prefer Mari industrial park. The way it is organized. Area frater and they organize it very well. So what am a core Uganda is not lagging behind. But there are some areas where we are not yet doing well. Even in health. Amarwaro tagaka jiremba zerukumara konkamza yo mu NRM manifesto yo wano jirebamu na attributing abashuma abakwibe mbazi
marwaro
abashuma bakujangwa abashuma bakiryo mu marwaro ne bebe mbazi ugaruko zari education sector tukagire government katana priority zebi kwaterena nenguto yaza priority y'amashanyarazi economics nabatogesangu what is the economics is the study of luck. It's a very bad topic. We don't live in an economy of abundance. But economics imagine the study of luck. But the luck it is the mind. Remember when the mind is affected that it is poor. We live in the world of abundance. The opportunities are available, but to see them it is a challenge. That's how I have raised my son. All the time, this world is full of opportunities. But if you check around you, is this, am I living in the same economy as this person? If you look at Google map, but in the last 5 years, Google map, today, on Google map, you will know that
now, when you tell somebody that we live with abundance, abundant opportunities, cut up sleep. Like
now,
the opportunities.
As long as China has reached at its maximum limit of growth in terms of population. Are you aware of that? China is 1.4 billion people.
What I know is that recently India overtook them.
Yeah, it has overtaken them because it is 1.43 billion.
I'm trying to say, what do you mean by its maximum?
The curve of growth.
It's affecting our population.
Even it also works on population. And you are aware, Japan is carrying population. In 2023, China is they are worried the population is coming to an extinction. Demographic structures it is a funnel.
It is a V-shaped thing. Yes,
the structure chance watch quite upside down.
Yes.
Chance churumtaho. At no kanji kanjire
to gambo mtaho ni diverting.
Yeah, plan to gambe.
Na nyandre nyoma nyika nyowe. Because shoboro chero trena chenga. Echo chenyine chikuri mitinga abantu butazara niki because population is just people
as people get educated.
Yes.
Washo mesabana na bwito the biggest control of population is not family planning. Tumukuija mukagambira abantu murobo bwa family planning mukoze condoms mukoze chi ebyo, those are not key indicators. It's not a key factor in controlling population. It plays a small role to me, but the biggest factor controlling a population is education. Abantu abashomere munonga takwenda rwanje rw'abantu muka nabazara kuki.
That's how you educate them.
No, as you educate the guy, it's not because I think Kanye, they can't pose them. Ranga turechere ha ati turinzire turya ubwire no bwenda kwika where you can spend the month atagiranye uyino kugenda ugaruke ugende
ugaruka watwe kashicho
no twayanga kugenda twika abo asijoro you want quality not quantity.
You see, that is now the mentality y'abashomere kandi ukwari
no tina tukubazare
no tina chinki what you're working, you have stable income. You're earning. You're not worried that the government is not going to pay you. You see, education produces cowards.
Apana. The richest man in Africa.
Haja liko Dangote, the Nigeria.
I never bashatu.
But you see, even failed marriage, it doesn't have a
ande vile natambara n'umushi muto. Hata gacere yatuna. Kukamye nashoma vision up to 2030. Ko gatkuze kubira kunyasha. Nareba 100 billion.
And he's growing abnormally.
Yes.
Now, Ariona overtaking even the global rich men.
What makes a Hajj? What makes a Muslim man? Women and children.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now,
the intoxication.
The intoxication.
What is it?
Africa went to grow. Remember, today we are standing at 1.5 billion people. Almost the population of what? Echikuza kuremesa Africa kura. And this is Uganda inclusive. Uganda, no matter how much we are going to try to grow, you cannot grow in isolation. Ncho President Museveni, one of the ebinte mukumsa asahansi yubura. Echari kuza kufa yachize myaka nkigana ningashe myaka yiye mukame yamuhiro musomo. Kiyaze kujisi yakargo musomo. It's when Uganda yetafune what we call an East African integration. Erkabi hange. Akachirwanira akachinheritinga noreba what has shaped Mzee and to escape a poverty mindset is among the few leaders in Africa who are not poor in the head.
But about like the integration in East Africa,
integration
this is something
Africa.
We need to pray for from God. Why have we not achieved it?
No, and to war of him to have some leaders. I want to be a big boy, even if he's leading 5 people. But I want to be the head. Some of the leaders in Africa, you cannot grow when you are split into 55 countries. You are 1.5 billion people. Instead of coming together, at least that's what can make Africa grow. But you can't have your vision 2040, another one has a vision 2050, another one has a vision 2040, and you are what we call the policies that we're implementing are different. Why does Kenya have a standard gauge railway? Tanzania has a standard gauge railway. Uganda, what do you want to call?
Poor policies around.
What is being implemented in Kenya? What happens in Kenya affects Uganda directly. Not even indirectly, but directly. To Iceland, we may sleep here and don't mind. But what happens in Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Congo
I don't think we can still sleep. Because recently, during the other conflict of Russia and Ukraine, we know what happened in the Black Sea.
Yes.
Some of the ingredients are
fertilizers, engano yatemba, buto yatemba, because of how we are interlinked globally. Now, globalization, you cannot survive in isolation. And now, Africa, from 1950, we had a component of 9% of the entire global population. Today, 2025, Africa has a component of 19% of the global population. By 2050, the half century, by 2050, in 25% of the world population.
Africa. Is it good or bad according to
it? Is good for the growth because that is the potential of the market. But the question is, what is the quality of the population? Can even that population buy our own products?
I think that is prepared now. To begin to prepare the population that you will have in China, I'm going to produce 4 or 3 kids, but I want this quality. Why is now Africa not planning about abantu nibiza kuba abantu ki aho abantu
tumukabasa kuplaninga kuba abantu ki when we are frustrated by the wars of Congo abantu baba Congo bakwije mu ihango njo kugambira ngo Mzee is fighting. Can we come together? Advanced by Julius Nyerere, Mwalimu the late, iki kigamba kandi akigamba mureke twatagana abantu bakanga twatitezere tukaba bamwe. Forget about that type of growth you're kureba in Scandinavian countries, you're kureba in Asian tigers, because icyo bakozere bahango it's because bakemanya bagire namba y'abantu kuri kuboyine namba. Numbers don't lie.
Dr. Benjamin Muzite no gamba some of these things. Recently when I was studying a certain course unity, kashanga mezwa kweta economic communities, regional economic blocks as is IGADI, you know, twin ECAS, Manisa Eastern and Central African states, twin ECOWAS, Economic Community of West African states, twin Korea Sadiko Mashuma, twin Hanu East African Community, na nebindi. But no man wo yebuza bunch twin ekibara kweta East African, African Union. Yero ngo twine kuri yo mu Europe twin European Union. Hanu ya twin African Union. But we have failed completely to transform it to kureba kuriya kuchireta hano auga East African Community surely.
Why haven't
we become one country? African Union yona, which cannot even like say Niger and Mali and Burkina Faso
na Africa yenye na hero
tukabire zona yabenegezaho ikabere ECOWAS with 15 members. So recently tukagira amanga tugayicaho gakora icyo bakweta the Alliance of Sahel States, Burkina Faso, Niger and I think Mali,
the leadership
bayicaho hati every time you are trying to unite you have people disintegrating bakurugaho. So finally I think it pains watch chenga chonchishasha.
And the problem comes from where? Leadership. Abantu bakugira ngo they can't be together.
Program agent tujeta sisimuka tubyen tureba ebyentasi amanye byentasi byo kureba ntuzaguma ntwegomba abantu ngabo jango ntemwe ntuguruka wareba European Union okwe kora netu hano buyamba hano yanuremo tukomezara bozoroho ziri yenyonyozi European Union wareba America yonga ishitweta United States gakabe gari yamahanga bat bakagagita ninga continent ninkihanga nugomana ga America yagamba numurukize cyegamba hano yebitu bikaturema konga twatandikiye na hato muri amagwitu ryo ntureba ubwo mwaka gwebyentasi aza entasi yakuza kubaje ugashanga abantu batambuye misho hariho kuba bari hariho kuba bakwatagine hariho kuba bibatera amani. Ibyo program iki niza ku mashayi dakika 85 twargasha ibiri mu studio twine Dr. Benjamin Muzite ya University twaza kache tugakandaje
Nehinda
season with StarTimes Shared Moment. Fun moment with fresh TV shows Akajegere and Pink Room on Makula Chika Plus, the best-selling chika Uganda, Best Friends and Omunam Fuksi on Makula TV. 10 dedicated kids channels. Passionate moment with our very own Uganda Cranes in African football tournament in Morocco this December. For 1 month and get an upgrade to the next bouquet. If you subscribe for 3 months, you automatically enjoy 5% discount and 3 months upgrade to the next bouquet. Antenna decoder plus 1 month of premium bouquet at 34,000 shillings. Get yourself a StarTimes satellite decoder plus 1 month of premium bouquet at 40,000 shillings. The best Christmas offer only on StarTimes. Merry Christmas moment from StarTimes.
Director, Management na staff ya Kability Foods and Beverages Limited nibeneza ba agents, distributors na customers babo. Christmas yihorere n'umwaka musya ogwa 2026 ogwo businge kandi nibabamanyisa kuba bakolire ecyo kunywa ekindi ekiri kwetwa Katochi kombucha.
Orihire n'uruzina njende rukutunga stika za moto sadi pati ukubamba urupapuro rwo buri mwaka yakira ibiro byo bya nyensya kankwanjure enkoransia eya digital moto sadi pati stickers ne butura ubwinshi bw'ikirwa cyawe no bwerinzi eyango koresa kandi iri kushisha byo buhangwa shashura digital sticker ahabwa moto sadi pati ukorabera harmomo Airtel Money Payway Centenary Bank na Diamond Trust Bank. Rero utware number ya reference ari agent urukwikirizwa kandi oine license nuko tunje digital sticker ya Motosad Pate from digital na Motosad Pate digital sticker. Ubutumwa ubu ni kukigo aba Uganda Insurance Association.
Tujyana tugenda n'icweka cya muheru kumaririza ikiganiro cy'iteki mu program simuka akashoshoreki aka okureba habyo mwaka ikwiranye kandi kugenda mu bientation umwaka ogu n'ugutamenyingo let me say yes. So to expecting echi omwaka 2026
ni neba kugeraho ngo compared wabirenganisana n'ubururu barabiro. This one is more peaceful according to imbere kwishira netambara kinkoreba the political climate ndeba ngo this ubururu bwa 2026 January 2015 ubururu buri more peaceful compared to the election ana n'ikindi no short government ya regime rohoja President Museveni babesingira bintu ebibarakozere kurondera hakaruru compare Dr. Musente umbantu uruburo bagiremo sente tukagire mukazene so muzei has
left many people on the ground demoralized.
And that is a good nanga to me. It's actually no ndana buri nkozereki hate nindeba ngogo icyo kintu cyenda ko na nekindi ihangari ryo no kurakura namunonga abo kugira ngo weather tebire abantu abayinjire bashwarire icyo gakanchereba and we see that prices are going to be more stable kugira ngo ibyo kuri byaba knowledge economy is major agrarian ne driving by its major and agrarian economy inamba y'abantu benshi bo mu ihangomu ne badepending area agriculture ningashe bihinje no burisa compared to the other sector. So ntureba ngo abantu abagiro mu burisa amatungo gabo gaburire kandi abagiro mu kwinga tugire mushana mwingi kugira ngo ito bihingo. So ndebangu things are going to be better. Now the question comes to the allocation in the next budget. A sentence zenda kuza what are the priorities of government? Of course mangu number one is security. Tureba government neza kureka centum security. Echa kabiri ntureba government eyehereye munonga na munonga kugira ngo ingoto zikomeze bazongera expand. Ekindi tureba mu government ntureba ngo amashomero na nebyamarwaro no bene batayo sente tisakashire at the required rate. Icyo kwasa contributing to privatization no kushanga ngo oine bintu bice oine ka sente kace kandi byetago byawe ni byinji so washara mu kuyame byetago ero kusinga yo kusasa abantu ningashe kuchere kusasa kusinga ibindi kugira ati nyenda kugura umwenda musya mjoroze nanye niyo noshanga tuguzere mwenda gwecho niona mjoroze tuguzere mwenda ite kusasa manonga yasa kubera fees no kushashura bili ya mizi compared to breast students so niona mjoroze tumero masuta makuru so
which is okay
which is okay. Now the government also looks at its priorities ejirangwa esera kanji take security, that is mandatory. Without peace umuyanga no bamtine cyumugyo n'umukoro echa kabiro girote sente ntureba ngo industrialization tube tugerekere nyuma reka tongere sente mu industrialization na no kongera sente za PDM or sustaining it kugira ngo it must be 1 trillion per annum. It is very key. Existent and basa kuzambisi ya mesho, but it is doing a substantial work. Nbenja bazirire nambe pango ne yazirire. PDM konkabache abebi no bwenjo muto bine cyo baziguzire mbaka kita ground. Ntusasa bwabo kugira ngo hakaza hendwara yembuzi indwara za embuzi za gire cirukano za rwara embuzi z'abantu zifire nyinji konkade mangu government ituri intervene on that ngo kwitwire ne tuyambaho ekutereza ambazo guri subsidize ro mushangane guhera busha toyija kinde chwatenejo ejo what it has been controlled tabire ngo kuyabire buriya nambwe nkashimezwa ho bwa bisahanje nkazo mu katare ka kazo nashanga ngo burinte yabire neshora bakamba gitera akakatuke kinanga akakatuka kejo tutukumanyente za himwazuru nana konke yabe neshora kugira ngo etagende kature zindi bagitera akakatukejo so ejono government program tukugira ngo abe na dere bakakashashora so ntamanyangu abantu abaferirwe nk'amatungo gabo government has to look into ikiryo nkitembu z'abantu niki cyo nekintu kikuru konka mujurizo waye bwa ikintu kikuru kugira ngo one of the things government byetaka koziriji na how it is calculating the growth of this economy
kire cyo tweno gambe cyo kugira ngo yine abantu binja bareno bakora baro progressing batar captured
inde iki kintu echo ndiyo mbanta bamwe abanyayuganda bakwikiriza ngo this government nanka economy turum ekuzire munonga compare debt ebirya ground ebirya paperwork
so the real growth and development is not captured according to you
it is not major because na kujanta the biggest percentage ninga shenamba mpango y'abantu ryo agriculture sector there should be a definition at this country level ningashi actually African level what is the definition of unemployment kumukosa international labor organization makosa world bank makosa IMF standards of who is employed abanyayuganda binji mbabatwara nkabatene mbero batuterekishane kibi kugira ngo abanyayuganda tabara gukora kuko nabanga habanyayuganda bakwimuka bakaza street akaguma yemerira yo kwasira
yebari mnongo
nabanga yi
aho kwa nichirgayo you people you don't want to work you people you don't want to work
kuko n'abanyayuganda bangashi ngambira umunyayuganda ari kwimuka akashitama akakugira me I am unemployed tinyine mu rumogona nshitamire kunga maze mano baronda to kubareba iyo abana bose gero mukomuka kugira ati nyonyo no mwana who is in the age bracket of working but is no tarukora nasibomuka nabangaye kunka what's the definition at international level which I totally disagree with because this is Africa. The definition of what is a job according to a colonialist English Europe na nababantu it should be a bit different from the definition it consa because of our culture and the setup
umuntu ari kureberera enteve ari tembuzi nengoko ibintu ateka bemirumo ya mane tasi
shuzi n'abakozi b'ushashura abakozi n'imbashashura sente mazima I pay on more than 3 million per month
to them those who are not known
you must take money but those people nubejo shanga bazo mukatare bagure ibintu using that money so the question is what is the definition of a job ningash employment in the Uganda's context icyo negize bucukuru kandi cyo nteganisa inkorakurana yihangeje.
Yes, Dr. Webari Mnonga Kire akwatuhereza eshaha kugashaye birukusyati mbwenu turukwendera of course no chimanya ngo this is even our last show in this very year 2025 yena ngo usige wateirenga ka message ukasigira abareba bitu akinaka kwate na nebyentasi yabo umwaka 2026 in this coming year.
Mujurize nyenda kubanza kusima abantu abatubire nitwe kushanga ngwiwe orwa kabiri n'amazoba gandi oturano utaho haro TVs nyingi mu Uganda konko kashanga ngo priority yawe yaba TV West kutwara for granted. Haro brother wanje mwari ariyo kumahanga gaheru yansincha message ati ndi ndeba program kushanga ngo Isaac na Emerra aza a program ari umunsi yaheru konka yenda kumanya ibiryo mfo mu ihanga areba TV West we don't take it for granted. Haro umusarika umupolisi bamwita byaranga turaho agira ngo program ejitagerga ayine byatura nayiga nini buryo mu Uganda arukumanya niyo ngashinyo takumanya nabende kumanya ndabasimira aranga andi kugira ngo mugumene muhega bintu binji TV ejib munyaburimwe mugumene muji take it as a priority kugira ngo ino buwagitaho wagire buwego tuwayazaho umbinte byo kushasha byonga nabyo no bikuru entertainment iziki ko kushanga ha muze sinsino nagamba ugira utumukama simu so programs n'izindi zikubanize gesa mureke kuzamusemesho kandi mukahurira music yonga umunya Uganda gera icyo wakora. Number 1, take education as a priority. Abana kumwe mwenda controlling a population muri kwenda nyense yanyu ebeje na nabana iwono wasa kujyo tunyonka setting a foundation mbi konkahereza abana ba foundation by sending them to school. Na government nganyonka ntwire n'ekigamba ngo education ekabe takabe negitwara as an option. Government ya Uganda jinyonka bene chapa kugira ngo when it comes to education ekirebe ngo it's mandatory umwana kuzayishomero twatagireyo abantu mwe kwa kwatso ngono gwecho the way you take security like security like we are so alert to security kandi tureke kintu cy'urukowa which is the education umunya Uganda jeza hokori umutagahindura kwa kuba kugira ngo oyine cyo wabona na muntu yakugira ati nangu yambise body ruko jig gendo show ikintu kintu cyukuru ubwo bituma mugende nabo mwako nimbendezo mwaka mulungi kubera na mukaga
yabaye mnonga Dr. Benjamin Musita ni twendeze mwaka mulungi a very successful and blissful 2026 abaye bitwa TV twendeze mwaka mulungi gwenkurakurana gwo mutano umagara ganyu 2026 mwari kura program yetu twagacaha atwakire cheke kindi musibe
Kamuza ibisensino nakakuchibwaho
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment, knowledge creation.